A very good morning to Principal Ma'am, our judges Mrs. Pandey, Mrs. Reena Rai, Mrs. Ruchita Tandon, Mr. Mrinal Gihra. I welcome all you in the Expo 2020 of ninth class. Art integration provides a deeper understanding and chance to the students to be creative in their science work. Improvisation, characterization, and play production with so many different forms of the art to choose from. In this presentation, let us see how beautifully students incorporated these areas of the art in their hands-on activity and make the boring concept of science more impressive and understandable. Over to 9th F.
Thank you, ma'am. We will start with the prayer, Gayatri Mantra, and we begin now, ma'am.
स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्.
Good morning, respected Madam Principal, judges, teachers, parents, and friends. Today, we would like to highlight the importance of science and art integration. I feel integrating science and art is really important as all the disciplines being pursued by learners at all stages require creative thinking and problem solving abilities. Art integration helps us to apply art based inquiry, investigation, and creativity for a deeper understanding of the concepts.
Yes, Ikansh. Art integration in science helps us to derive meaning and understanding directly from the learning experience. Teaching learning process becomes joyful. It also has a positive impact on development of certain life skills such as higher confidence level and self-esteem, reflection and inquiry skills, and communication skills. We are able to see the links between subjects, topics, and real life. Madam, with your kind blessing, we would start our presentation now.
Good morning, TAvians, respected Madam Principal, teachers, parents, and friends. I, Vishwamital, welcome you all to this virtual expo. Our topic for today is Imagine, Invent, Inspire. Science is fun. We shall discuss how integration of different art forms and science makes learning fun. I request you all to keep your videos off and your microphones muted for better quality of presentation. It's said that science is a way of thinking. True. I love science. I follow simple methods of science. Are you aware of the methods of science?
Science is my thing today. When you do science, there is the way. First ask questions why or how, then hypothesize. Do it now. Experimentation is in the next line. You get results are so fine. Analyzing data comes up next. Then graph your data to show it the best. Being a scientist, it's really a trip. It's not a square. It's really a hip.
Thanks, Tatsat, for telling us the methods of science. Friends, we all know that science and technology are the wheels of our life. Especially in this time of pandemic, all of us have tasted the fruits of science and technology. Remember, science of today is the technology of tomorrow. So, what is your approach towards science? Do you study it to have a better career option? Or do you really enjoy it? Or do you just study it because you want passing marks? Just because you feel it is difficult and it does not make any sense?
Hello Ria, how are you?
I am okay, just studying.
हाफ ईयरली एग्जाम्स की प्रिपरेशन हो गई तेरी?
हाँ यार, पर ये बायोलॉजी तो जान ही ले लेगी।
क्यों, क्या हो गया?
इतनी सारी डिफिकल्ट टर्म्स, डेफिनेशंस, डायग्राम्स, एक लर्न करती हूँ तो दूसरा भूल जाती हूँ। इट्स सो कंफ्यूजिंग। तेरी प्रिपरेशन तो हो गई ना? यू आर गुड इन स्टडीज।
Well, Ria, we all learn the different way. Why don't you try a fun way of learning it? Like mnemonics, or a song, or a parody. It will definitely help you to retain information as well as free entertainment.
Will it help?
Be optimistic. It will. Let's try this song.
जिंदगी का इल्म बायोलॉजी रख के साइंस तुसी पढ़ लो जी बॉटनी zoology morphology anatomy astronomy physiology astrology genetics cell biology parasitology ਤੇ entomology ਸੈਲ ਜਾਣਕਾਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਬੁਨਿਆਦੀ ਅਕਾਈ ਸ਼੍ਰੀਡਨ ਫ੍ਰਾਂਸਲ ਥਿਊਰੀ ਬਣਾਈ ਯੂਕੈਰੀਓਟਿਕ ਪ੍ਰੋਕੈਰੀਓਟਿਕ ਸੈੱਲ ਦੀਆਂ ਵੱਡੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਦੋ ਕਿਸਮਾਂ ਯੂਕੈਰੀਓਟਿਕ ਨਿਊਕਲੀਅਸ ਰੱਖਾਂ ਪ੍ਰੋਕੈਰੀਓਟਿਕ ਨੂੰ ਖਾਲੀ ਛੱਡ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਖੁਰਾਕ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਆਟੋਟ੍ਰਾਫ ਕਹਾਂਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਖੁਰਾਕ ਕਿਸੇ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਹੈਟਰੋਟ੍ਰਾਫ ਕਹਾਂਦੇ ਪਲਾਂਟ ਸੈੱਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੈੱਲ ਵਾਲ ਬਾਰ ਐਨੀਮਲ ਸੈੱਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੈੱਲ ਮੈਂਬਰੇਨ ਬਾਰ ਸੈੱਲ ਮੈਂਬਰੇਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਈਟੋਪਲਾਜ਼ਮ ਨਿਊਕਲੀਅਨ ਵੈਲਥ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਿਊਕਲੀਓਪਲਾਜ਼ਮ ਜਾਈਲਮ ਐਸੀਆਂ ਨਾਲੀਆਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਜੜ੍ਹਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਪਾਣੀ ਲਿਆਵਣ ਫਲੋਇਮ ਐਸੀਆਂ ਨਾਲੀਆਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਪੱਤੇ ਤੋਂ ਖੁਰਾਕ ਲਿਜਾਵਣ ਮਾਈਟੋਸਿਸ ਤੇ ਮੀਓਸਿਸ ਸੈੱਲ ਤਕਸੀਮ ਦੀਆਂ ਕਿਸਮਾਂ ਨੇ ਦੋ ਮੀਓਸਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੈੱਲ ਬਣਨ ਮਾਈਟੋਸਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਣਦੇ ਨੇ ਦੋ Bio catalyst enzyme reaction ਨੂੰ ਤੇਜ਼ ਕਰ enzyme optimum temperature 37 optimum pH 07 molecule ਬਣਨ ਤੇ anabolism molecule ਟੁੱਟਣ ਤੇ catabolism photosynthesis ਕਰਕੇ ਪੌਦੇ ਗਲੂਕੋਜ਼ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਣਾਵਣ respiration ਕਰਕੇ animal ATP ਬਣਾਵਣ ATP ਵਿੱਚ molecule 10 sugar phosphate ਨਾਲੇ adenine almi donor blood group O ਜਿਸਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ antigen ਨਾ ਦੋ ਆਲਮੀ ਐਕਸੈਪਟਰ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਏ ਬੀ ਜਿਸਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਐਂਟੀਜਨ ਏ ਬੀ ਵੇਨ ਤੇ ਐਸੀਆਂ ਨਾਲੀਆਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਦਿਲ ਵੱਲ ਖੂਨ ਲਿਆਵਣ ਆਰਟਰੀ ਐਸੀਆਂ ਨਾਲੀਆਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਦਿਲ ਤੋਂ ਖੂਨ ਲਿਜਾਵਣ ਵੇਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਡੀਆਕਸੀਨੇਟ ਬਲੱਡ ਆਰਟਰੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਕਸੀਜਨੇਟ ਬਲੱਡ ਪਲਮਨਰੀ ਆਰਟਰੀ ਚ ਡੀਆਕਸੀਨੇਟ ਬਲੱਡ ਪਲਮਨਰੀ ਵੇਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਕਸੀਜਨੇਟ ਬਲੱਡ ਡਾਇਆਸਿਸਟੋਲ ਨਾਲੇ ਸਿਸਟੋਲ ਮਿਲ ਕੇ ਬਣਾਵੇ ਹਾਰਟ ਬੀਟ ਕੋਰੋਨਰੀ ਆਰਟਰੀ ਚ ਖੂਨ ਜੇ ਜੰਮ ਜਾਵੇ ਰੁਕ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਏ ਹਾਰਟ ਬੀਟ सीने विच जे पेन होवे सा औखा औखा आवे ए जे बीमारी हार्ट अटैक साएम सबनू एहो ही कहंदा जिंदगी मकावे हार्ट अटैक
Wow, this biology rap is awesome. We learn and we forget. We do it and we remember it. Let us learn something by actually doing it rather than learning it from books, lectures and cramming it. Today, we shall present some hands-on activities to present some concepts of physics, biology, and chemistry.
Hello everybody, my name is Aryan Dabas. Today I am going to show a very simple activity related to Newton's first law of motion. In Newton's first law of motion, an object remains in the state of rest or uniform linear motion until and unless compelled by an applied external force. As you see, we have a tumbler, a piece of a cardboard and a coin with us. Let me show you the activity. When we will apply some force on the piece of the cardboard, the coin will fall inside the tumbler. This happens due to inertia of rest. The piece of the cardboard that was in the state of rest will come in the state of motion. Then we will apply some force on it and the coin will remain in the state of rest and it will fall inside the tumbler. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Anj Dudeja and I am going to explain Newton's first law of motion with the help of an activity. Let's start the activity. Make a pile of the carom coins like this. Now hit the bottom coin with the striker. As you can see, the bottom coin has moved out and the rest coins are standing vertically at rest. Let's try this once again. As you can see again, the bottom coin has moved out and the rest coins are standing vertically. This is due to law of inertia. According to Newton's first law of motion, an object tends to remain at rest or in a uniform motion along a straight line unless some external force is applied on it.
Hello everyone, I am Ganesh Sharma and I am today going to demonstrate Newton's second law of motion by an experiment. Newton's second law of motion states that force is directly proportional to mass and acceleration. For this experiment, we will need a paper ball and a leather ball and a box. When I roll this leather ball towards the box, see what happens. The box gets moved, but when I roll this paper ball towards the box, it does not move. Do you know why this happens? Because the leather ball has greater mass than the paper ball, so it applies more force than the paper ball. Hence, the box will fall down with greater acceleration. But when we do this same thing with the paper ball, the box will not fall down. It is because the force is directly proportional to mass and acceleration. So I have proved
Hello everyone, myself Vishu Mittal, and today I'll be explaining to you Newton's third law of motion. Newton's third law of motion states that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Here I have a simple model of a car. I have attached a balloon on top of it. When we blow up the balloon, let's see what happens. Now, here we see that the action was that air that was released from the balloon. And the reaction, car moved forward. This perfectly explains the Newton's third law of motion. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you.
All respected ma'am and all my dear friends. My name is Ame and today I am going to explain you the theory of air pressure with a very easy and simple activity. For the activity, you will need few things like a straw, plastic bottle, balloon and a glass. First, you have to make a hole into the water bottle like this. At the time of making the hole, be careful. You have to make the hole of the size of the straw you are using. If you make the hole larger, the air will escape from the water bottle and your activity will fail. After making the hole, fill the water bottle till the hole with the water. I have added color into it for the representation. Adding color is not compulsory. You can use simple water also. After adding water into the plastic bottle, you have to insert a straw, as you can see in this video. After that, put the straw into the glass. After that, blow some air into the balloon. Put the mouth of the balloon onto the mouth of the plastic bottle, like this. After that, release the balloon. Release the balloon. As you have seen in this video, the water moves from the bottle to the glass without any external force. How this is happening? This is all the magic of air pressure. The air pressure inside the water bottle increases, which makes the water to move from the water bottle to the glass.
Hello everyone, my name is Vanshika Malhotra, and today I'm going to show you that heat changes the air pressure inside a jar, causing the balloon set on the top of it to squeeze into it. Material required for it is a glass jar, some paper bliss, a lighted candle, a water balloon, and some matchsticks. Fill the balloon with water and set it on the mouth of the glass jar. Make sure the balloon is big enough to fit into the mouth of the jar. Light a bit of paper on fire and drop it into the jar. Now, quickly take the balloon and place it onto the jar. Now, observe. Hot air inside the jar rises up and moves out from the jar, thereby decreasing the air pressure inside the jar. From this activity, we can conclude that the air pressure outside the balloon is more than inside, thus causing the balloon set on the top of it to squeeze into it and fall inside the jar. Thank you.
I have put clay all over the pen cap for better visibility. Make sure you don't put a lot of clay or it will just ruin. Now we will open the bottle cap and put the pen cap inside it. We will press the bottle cap tightly. Now let's test it. All we have to do is to squeeze. When we squeeze, the air inside the bottle get inside the cap, which makes the cap very heavy, that make it get down. See, when we squeeze, it moves down. When we leave, it gets up. So this is the Cartesian diver. Hope you all liked it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, today Iria from class 9F will explain the mechanism of breathing in human beings. I will explain the process by using this model. This fluid balloon membrane represents the diaphragm. Pipe on top is windpipe, bottle represents the chest cavity, and balloon inside the bottle represent lungs. As the diaphragm goes down, space inside chest cavity increases. Side by side, lungs also expand. The air pressure inside the lungs decreases, but outside air pressure is higher, so air moves from high pressure area to low pressure area. When the diaphragm goes up, air pressure increases and thus air moves out. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Navya and today I am going to show how air is released through stomach. So for this we need a cup which is filled with warm water and a potted plant leaf. So we are gonna add a potted plant leaf in the warm water. After a minute or two we can see some bubbles on it. These pores and bubbles are called the stomata, which are found in the underside of the leaf and are formed by the pair of guard cells. Observation: thus, air is released through stomata by dipping a freshly plucked leaves in the warm water. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Chris Shetty. Today I am presenting my volcano model. In this model, I will show you that how can we show volcanic eruption with the help of baking soda and vinegar. So let's move towards my volcano model. For showing volcanic eruption, we have to pour some vinegar in the volcano. This vinegar, and we have to pour it in the volcano. After pouring vinegar, we have to add some red food color in the volcano. It is red food color. After adding red food color in the volcano, we have to add some baking soda in the volcano. And after adding baking soda in the volcano, our volcano is ready to erupt. Yo! See, it happens because when we add baking soda in the vinegar, it forms sodium acetate which helps in erupting. The chemical equation behind this is
NaHCO3 plus CH3COOH arrow C2H3NaO2. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ronak. I hope you enjoyed these hands-on activities. Friends, always be ready to experience, understand and analyze. We all want to be successful in their lives, but it demands passion, determination, hard work and a positive attitude. These life lessons from the great scientists are definitely going to help.
Carl Sagan once said that somewhere out there, something incredible is waiting to be discovered. Indeed, not every scientist knew from his childhood how to invent something. They envisioned it and visualized it. They imagined that what if there was a device which once provided power to lights up instantly and brightens everything around it? Or how do we stick to the ground and not float away? What is this force? They asked themselves. These scientists did not study a textbook or read an article. They used their amazing brain. They imagined, they invented, and they inspired us all. Here are a few examples of those such great minds.
Self-study, what you love. Einstein self-studied those topics that interested him the most, even those which are not in his syllabus. Somewhere our inner self knows what are we made for. Never be afraid to study what interests you the most. It can soon become a turning point of your life.
Make the most out of your resources. One of the greatest mathematicians, Ramanujan, was born with very limited resources. He was given a book with 5,000 theorems. He soaked up the knowledge in it. He made a launch pad of his own mathematical research and became a renowned person.
If you have the will, you will find the way. Marie Curie was born in Poland, where women were not allowed to attend the universities. So insatiable was a thirst for knowledge. She even went to an underground university in Poland. She was forced to move to Paris for higher education, where she had to face even more difficulties. On many occasions, she had nothing to eat and even fainted in the cold weather, but she never gave up. Your journey won't be smooth. Difficulties will sure come into your way, but it's the thirst for success that will make you overcome your problems.
Hello everyone, my name is Ashna. Genius requires solitude. Tesla was the greatest example of mankind ever seen. His legacy was endured in books, films, radios, etc. His solitude was the secret of his innovative ideas. He once said that his mind is just a receiver. Universe is full of knowledge. You just have to find it yourself and make it upon knowledge. At last, I would like to end up with enjoy your own company. Enjoy your own company. He who can do wonders. Thank you.
Sometimes not getting what you want is a stroke of luck. APJ Abdul Kalam wanted to become a fighter pilot, but IAF only had 8 positions while Kalam was at 9th. He narrowly missed his dream. But did he give up? No. He went on to become a scientist, worked hard for his nation, and became India's 11th president.
And now we would like to show a mesmerizing performance on a mashup of Shape of You with Chemistry.
A dot isn't the best way to try to sum up how electrons come and go. They are the states of a matter field that follows an equation that Dirac wrote. The Schrodinger part of the whole equation will just lead in sub C when it expands. Now get that cool thumb and add it in with the proton and watch them start to dance. As hydrogen, it's like, oh proton, I feel your tug. Central potential, dip down, pulling on me. But I'm not falling in deep. Know that would break uncertainty. Say, oh, electrons move too much. Slow down your pace and put that orbit on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. Orbitals take the shape they do, the stable states of the quantum rules. And when a one approaches two, they combine and they're bonding. Thus hydrogen as a rule is found in nature as H2. Energy configuring a molecule, diatomically bonding. High, low, high, low, high, low, high. Diatomically bonding. High, low, high, low, high, low, high. Diatomically bonding. High, low, high, low, high, low, high. Diatomically bonding. Energy configuring a molecule. When orbitals take the shape they do. One half spin will give a left on a twin. One up, one down in the ground state. With S&P and quadruple degeneracy, the second shell can be filled up with 8. The higher angular power spread all the beautiful flowers and middle families that come into play. Well, here's a carbon with 6C. This ain't nothing tricksy, but we're gonna make some methane today. With hydrogen, it's like, oh, atoms, I feel your tug. Got my electrons plugged out, pulling on me. Come on now, settle around me. I'll hybridize to sp3, say, oh, carbon, here's our touch. Spread out 109.47 degrees. Come come on now, follow our lead. Come on now, follow our lead. Molecules take the shape they do, combining states of the quantum rules, like British outdoors SP2, the signified of a bonding, and as widely as their purview, it's better in the molecule. Look at benzene in a ring, they hold it true, aromatically bonding. Low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, aromatically bonding. Low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, aromatically bonding. Low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, aromatically bonding. Look at benzene in a ring, they hold it true, when orbitals take the shape they do. Come bond with me, baby, 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 come bond.
Great. Wasn't that a marvelous performance, everyone? This wonderful occasion, I would like to recite a small shlok from the opening chapter of the Hitopadesha. Anek Sanchyochedi Parokchar Tasya Darshana Sarvasya Lochanam Shastram Yasya Nan Evsaha. It translates to, it blasts many doubts. Foresees what is not obvious. Science is the eye of everyone. One who hasn't got it is like a blind. I would now like to invite our respected principal ma'am to grace us with her kind words.
Dear students, you have left us spellbound with your presentation. Really outstanding presentation with the help of your class teacher, Alpana ma'am, and all the team. Maximum participation of students was there, and of course with the support of your parents also. So a great round of applause to all of you. Very well done. It's a like live example of which I always say joyful learning. So you have shown how we can enjoy and how we can learn with simple home lab. You have made home lab experiments, and whenever I have visited Alpana ma'am's class in these days, she's always busy with the children with doing live examples, and this they have shown here very beautifully, and with the help of jingle also, with art integration also, the level of confidence, the articulation, the whole interwoven thing. It was really very, very nice, and I think nothing else can be shown in science on this virtual platform. I think better than what you do in the class. So great work. I'm really so happy about this. Like the students of our school, they are doing so well virtually, and they are moving ahead with positivity. You have all shown here like passion, hard work, positive attitude, self-study, and many things you have shown here. Like these are required. These values are required. So the teacher is here to inspire you. Parents are there to support you. So nothing is like which you can't achieve. If you will dream, and you will achieve it. You have shown this. You have told us. So we are learning a lot from you, dear children, and I'm so happy. So congratulations to you all, to your parents, and to the teacher for all the hard work. You will never forget this. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Your words mean a lot to us.
No, you have done a lot of work. Round the clock, I know this.
It's all your motivation and support, ma'am.
Very good.
You direct us and we do it. Ma'am, I would also request our judges to say some motivational words, encourage my team, support them. Mrs. Pandey is there with us, I think. Pandey ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning to all.
Good morning.
इमेजिन, इन्वेंट, इंस्पायर. कल्पना कीजिए, खोज कीजिए और फिर दूसरों के लिए प्रेरणा बनिए. बहुत ही सुंदर आपका प्रयास रहा. मैं बस बच्चों को इतना कहना चाहूंगी, हमने पढ़ा था कि न्यूटन ने सेब गिरता हुआ देखा और गुरुत्वाकर्षण का नियम खोज निकाला. रामन ने सागर की नीली लहरों को देखा और रामन प्रभाव खोज निकाला. तो हमारे आसपास बहुत सी ऐसी चीजें बिखरी पड़ी हैं वातावरण में, प्राकृतिक संसाधन बिखरे पड़े हैं, जरूरत है पर्यवेक्षण की, निरीक्षण की। आप भी चाहें तो उनकी तरह वैज्ञानिक बन सकते हैं। तो जरूरत किसकी है? कल्पना के घोड़े दौड़ाइए, खोज कीजिए और दूसरों के लिए प्रेरणा स्रोत बनिए। बहुत ही सुंदर आपकी प्रस्तुति रही, बहुत ही बढ़िया प्रयास रहा और बहुत ही बढ़िया। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. We have other judges with us also. I think Mr. Gera is there with the name of Suhani Gera. Sir, I invite you.
A very good morning to one and all present over here. And first of all, I would like to thank all the fraternity, Madam Vadera, and all the teachers, Seema ma'am, Altna ma'am. It's very heartwarming that today that you have given me the opportunity to be on the other side. I can imagine 10 years down the lane, I was on the other side presenting all these presentations and all these homeworks in front of all these teachers and all these guides. So basically, it was a very nostalgic moment for me being on the judge panel and sharing the same platform with all these mentors who have guided me all my life till now also. And I'm very grateful to all of you, ma'am, to give me such a platform. And what should I tell about the students? So much of talent, so much of knowledge, and I feel great sense of responsibility to the teachers also who are guiding them, mentoring them in such a scenario also. And a great presentation, Alpana ma'am, great innovation, a great theme moreover, because science is the future, and going by the current scenario, everything would be like this on a digital platform. And the theme of the presentation was invent, inspire. It was aptly driven through the time. And what should I tell? Innovation was there, creativity was there, coordination of course, and moreover, we only see the presentators, but we don't see the efforts behind the technical team. So in this kind of a presentation, in this kind of virtual event, technical teams hold a lot of pressure and they have a great key of role playing. So hats off to them, hats off to them. A great presentation, guys. I know I have given all these presentations in your time, in your age, and you have done a marvelous job. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. We are guiding light always. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ji. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Can we leave, ma'am, now?
Congratulations, Seema.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Alpana, congratulations.
Alpana ma'am,
Seema,
very
congratulations.
thank you,
Yes,
thank you,
very
ma'am.
beautiful, wonderful.
Thank you
Absolutely
very much.
wonderful. कोई डाउट ही नहीं उस बात का. बहुत बढ़िया था. Smooth, and I must compliment on the quality of oratory. Vishu Mittal spoke very well. Ekansh spoke very well. एकांश की मम्मी तो मेरी अपनी स्टूडेंट थी. तो उन्होंने एक पुरानी फोटोग्राफ भी निकाली मेरे को देख दी. It was very nice. और रीना है नहीं, रीना को मैं बाद में थैंक करूंगी for joining us. Mrinal and Reena at the last moment as judges. बहुत बढ़िया. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Seema ma'am. आपकी सपोर्ट के बिना कुछ नहीं होता यहाँ पर. You are always there. Thank you very
आप
much.
सब लोग बहुत अच्छा काम कर लेते हो.
Can we leave, ma'am, now? Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Okay, class. Thank you very much. Thank you, all of you.
You all done a wonderful